Hi everybody, my name is Ole Müller, and I'm going to tell to you today what ExoDAO does. You probably know me, right? If you don't, where are you going to find out who I am? I'm assuming Google. The problem with Google right now is that you don't really know how these search results come to be, because I did not pay for ads, and the order of results is kind of arbitrary. We don't know how they look for you or for me, even though they know that you're watching this video and that I'm presenting. They created some sort of meat grinder, taking money, ad optimization, and user data to spit out results in an order that is a mystery. If we want to change this and create a Google equivalent that is ethical, it would be really difficult right now, because we cannot source all the server infrastructure. Google has such a head start that even if we use all their money they use for tax evasion, we cannot get all of the infrastructure because the resources are missing. Additional to that, Google has a lot of data, so even with our improved algorithms, it's going to be difficult. So what can we do? How can we change this? How can we focus on knowledge discoverability, transparency, and privacy? By changing the game through a decentralized solution, something that is open source, community-based, and sustainable. We use all these computers that are around you right now, the one that you're watching on, the server that are standing at home, instead of buying new infrastructure. We want to transform away from this ad optimization to knowledge discoverability. We want to create something that is for everybody, that is understandable and self-sustaining, not only a new search engine, but an entire ecosystem, a platform where everybody can participate. And Switzerland is the perfect location for this, a neutral place from which we can start to create an alternative to big tech. If we're talking about alternatives, who else is there? You might say, oh, I already use DuckDuckGo. Then I tell you, this is really great, but DuckDuckGo is nothing else than another front end to Bing. Bing, by the way, and also Google would not even fit on this chart, but we want to give you an open source solution that is decentralized and has the possibility for you to choose which algorithms to use. In order to understand how we do this, we need to look at how Google does it. Google has an army of crawler bots that look through the web, render the websites, and then put these in their indexes in data centers all around the world. If you look for something, you then go through Google. We changed this. We split it up into a network where every node has all the same components. A crawler, an indexer, and a searcher. The crawler also goes through the web and indexes the websites and shares it with the network. The search engine is the thing that we spend lots of work on. It has all of these customizable settings for ranking and for normalization that you know exactly how you got your search results and that you can be sure that somebody else will get the same search results as you did. All of this without collecting any of your data. And this is what ExoDAO does. It's a solution that you can employ in a large scale and a small scale, but it's not all. As a community-driven solution, we want to enable people to build their own parts of this. If you have a different idea for a crawler, you can implement it. If you are an institution with lots of data available, you might not even need a crawler. You can just index it directly. And if you're doing work on chatbots, artificial intelligence, or information retrieval, you have the possibility to implement this in your node and inform other people that this is out there. This creates a colorful alternative to the uniform big tech ecosystems. And just as colorful is our team, we're very motivated to make it happen. And if you are interested in joining us as a designer, a developer, or somebody that can help us raise money, feel free to reach out, because the time is now. Google and Microsoft are battling, and people are considering if going the standard way is actually the correct way forward. Thank you so much, and reach out. Join our Discord. The link is in the description below. I'm looking forward to hear from you, and goodbye.